Good morning, everyone. Tofu made into eggs. Can we do it? Hello there, I'm Julie Ranosaurus. Welcome to Everyday Vegan Gourmet. And today is an experiment day. I woke up and it was all like, tofu. Can we make that into like actually good tasting egg kind of thing without it being a scramble? So that's what we're doing today, and these are the things I think we're gonna need. Extra firm tofu, you don't gotta press. Turmeric, because we need it to be yellow. Lemon pepper and low sodium Cajun seasoning, because these go into everything. Same thing with onion powder and garlic powder. Salt, because you know, you gotta have that. And I'm thinking liquid aminos and nutritional yeast. Maybe a little bit of milk too, vegan, some kind of plant milk that you have, plain plant milk. But I'm thinking food processor, that's how we're gonna do it. Because when you put it inside of a blender, it gets too, you need more liquid in there, so I'm thinking food processor would be the good way to go. Let's just blend stuff together, put it on a pan, and see if it works. Alrighty, got some coffee and toast. Probably not gonna last me until the food is done. Probably gonna need to make some more, but I'm also thinking we're gonna need 2 more ingredients. Probably a little bit of garbanzo bean flour and maybe just a tiny little bit of baking powder. Hi again. Also, I just decided this is probably going to be something like an egg omelet, so let's throw in some black salt, and if you need some, I have the link down in the description box below. It's kind of hard to find, so I just buy this on Amazon. But it smells very sulfurous, and so it smells like eggs. It's very uncanny smelling to eggs. So now to that throwing stuff together part. Alrighty, so first thing that goes into our processor is the block of tofu. I just rinsed it off lightly with water. And this little block has 75 grams of protein in it. So I'm just gonna kind of crumble it with my hands to help the processor out so there's not a lot of chunks and it has a smoother time. Use the gloves. 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of liquid aminos, or you can use soy sauce. I just like to use liquid aminos because hey, it has aminos in it, so I use that instead. 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. I make sure that I don't get a kind that has the yellow dye in it, so this doesn't have yellow dye in it, just check your ingredients. You probably don't want that in your food. 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of black salt, half a teaspoon of low sodium Cajun seasoning, half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. Alright, let's put in 2 tablespoons of garbanzo bean flour, and 3 tablespoons of milk. Just make sure it's plain, unsweetened plant milk. You can use soy, you can use almond, really whatever you have, just make sure it's plain, no sugar, doesn't have a flavor. And we're gonna blend this all together. Alrighty, so I don't know how happy I am with this. I can taste the garbanzo bean flour, and I wound up adding another 5 tablespoons of milk in there. So probably next time I won't make it with the flour and the baking powder in there. But let's just fry this up and see what this turns into. Alrighty, heat's on. Let's add in a little bit of olive oil. Spread that around. I've got the heat on medium. And now let's just put some of that yellow stuff on there. Yeah. Okay, so this is kind of looking like an egg pancake. I don't really know. Hopefully it comes out good. We're gonna have to eat it. So let's just cover this and just let it cook. Alright, so that didn't turn out so good. It was going well until I had to flip it. I think it was too big. So I kind of made scramble. I'm gonna start this over. And let's just make them smaller. See, maybe let's make egg pancakes. It's starting to taste pretty good. The garbanzo bean flavor was going away, so egg pancake. Oh, let's go. Alright, please flip. I'm nervous. Oh, I need the other hand. I need the other hand. Oh, it's so suspenseful. Yeah, we need the other hand. Ooh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It smells a little bit of cheese on there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Cover that. Please melt. Please melt. Alright, this is the moment of truth. So this is what I have. One has cheese on it, the other one does not. Now, let's eat it. Hope it's good. Alrighty, hello. Are you ready for this? Okay, so let's try the regular one first and then the one with cheese. Okay, that's what it looks like. Kind of has a quiche-like consistency. Oh, come on. Focus on that. There we go. See that? Nice and crispy on the outside and it looks fluffy on the inside, so it smells like eggs. I don't hate it. Maybe a little bit too much salty things, a little bit too much lemon pepper, but pretty good. Alright, another one with cheese. So maybe leave out the lemon pepper, but everything else, put it in there. And I think we made something new. FYI, heads up, there is a free ebook loaded with a ton of recipes coming your way that I am working on. At least 30 recipes, maybe 50, I don't know. Tips, tricks, how-tos, vegan, simple, beginners, and really easy to do recipes. So please make sure that you hit the notification bell when you do subscribe so you do get notified and you know when the heck you can pick that up. So without further ado, hope you like this experiment in my kitchen of Everyday Vegan Gourmet. You make recipes by experimenting, so hope you enjoy these kind of recipe videos of making stuff in your kitchen, not being perfect, and just getting in there and making things that you think will be good, and quite possibly they are.